Twitter on Monday accused Elon Musk of trying to slow walk the company's lawsuit to hold him to his $44 billion takeover and urged a September trial to ensure deal financing remains in place, according to a court filing. Millions of Twitter shares trade daily under a cloud of Musk-created doubt, the company wrote. No public company of this size and scale has ever had to bear these uncertainties. Twitter has sued Musk and asked a Delaware judge to order him to complete the merger at the agreed price of $54.20 per share. The company said if Musk is ordered to close the deal, it could still take months of additional litigation to close the debt financing, which expires in April. For that reason, Twitter asked the judge to reject Musk's proposal to hold the trial in February. The New York Post reported that Musk's lawyers are planning to countersue Twitter to gather more information about spam accounts. Shares of Twitter had fallen from more than $50 per share when the deal was announced in April to below $33 a share last week. Twitter's stock closed on Monday at $38.41, up 1.8%.